I thought I should definitively cover electron orbitals as far as you actually need to know for general chemistry. And I think people tend to make it more complicated than it is. So let me try to minimize the complexity of it if I can. Now, if you'll be logical, the first shell has only one suborbital, and it's the s. And the s has a maximum of 2 electrons. Now, if you use that as part of the explanation related to the periodic table, which you're supposed to have in front of you right now, that would be hydrogen for the 1 electron and helium for the one with the full suborbital. The second orbital has an s and a p. And p has 3 suborbitals, x, y, and z. Now, as you're cranking down through the elements, that's hydrogen. This is helium. The third element would be these 2 plus 1 in the s. The fourth element would be 2 in the s. The fifth element would be all of this plus x. The sixth element, 2, 4, 5, 6, would be everything and the y. Seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So this, all of this, would be the electron configuration for the 10th element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10th element. Now the third contains S, P, and D. I've never found it particularly important to cover the third shell in Gen Chem. It follows the same pattern. It's everything plus 1 electron in the next suborbital for the next element. So you'll have to suffice with 10 elements for this explanation. And I don't know, if you want more, you can easily look it up. Any of the good used Gen Chem textbooks that I've shown you or requested that you purchase will have all this information, and you'll find it fairly understandable once you understand the pattern.